Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Darwin, and in this video, I'm going to be covering over EurCad and the loss that I actually took on Thursday. I lost like a little bit over 17 pips. It was 173 bucks. I was using a standard lot. As you guys see, this is actually where I entered the market, and it was in profit for a split second. Not much, 20 pips, 24 pips max. You know. I had projections of it going down here to where price actually found that floor in this area. I think it might have even been a little bit tighter. I think like this whole entire range right there. And the overall move that was shooting for was down here, more of a 38 pips, and the stop loss was at 53680. So this trade was placed a tad bit before a London session. So towards the beginning of the London session, you start to see this push down right here. And then at that point, it actually retraced. When I actually woke up, it started to retrace, and it kept like shooting in and out of profit. And then finally, it came up and hit the stop loss. Now, do I think I was in the wrong direction overall? No. I'm still believing that it does have room to continue to push down. For a numerous amount of reasons. Reason one is because you have a level of resistance right here, and you start to discover this rectangle that is found after a nice push down where you can see price start to consolidate. Now, I may have got into too soon, and number two, I didn't set the stops high enough, which originally should be up here, but there's no way in my whole entire life that I'm ever gonna do 100 pip stop loss. That's just not in my style of trading. So if I can't get a good entry up in here in this area, then this kind of trade that I would just wait and hold out. You do start to see a little story be told right here, where you have a nice little trend line at one point. You can actually put it here in this area where actually price found this level of support, and it continued. And it after it found that level of support, it broke and continued to push down. And now I see it actually coming up to give it like some kind of retest and possibly falling back down into this lower area. And that's what I'm seeing overall on this pair. Like I said, the loss wasn't really, it really wasn't big, 17 pips. I don't really use big wide stop losses overall. So I didn't really, I never traded this pair, so I mean, I don't see myself as of right now. I'm not really going to focus on it until it does exactly what I need it to do. I'm also seeing a level of structure right here, where price actually found this ceiling here, and that's where I'm going with. I see it actually trending down. If we were to take our fibs and go from 1 second, here we are, this area, draw it down like this, and we see that price actually retraced up to 78.6, is now under 61.8%, stumbling around at 50% based off the daily time frame, which you can start to see price starting to make those higher high, higher low type motions and type movement. We got to keep this in mind overall. It did create a lower high and a lower low right here, and a lower high right here. So overall, I'm expecting it to actually continue to push down. When that will happen, who knows? But we just got to go with the flow of things. Overall, like I said, I'm still looking for it to actually get that push down. All right, here you see another clue where you can actually find a trend line drawn here, and price actually broke out of that trend line too. And that's another indication. What I'm looking at as another indication for price to actually push down right there. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to cover that L. You guys, I know I'm completely transparent. If I do lose a pair, I will break it down, because that's actually helping me. I'm actually back testing as I'm doing these kind of videos, whether I win or I lose. And that's the thing you got to realize as a trader. You're not going to win every single pair. Every single trade. You will take L's. So, You know, this was an L that I took. Like I said, wasn't really much far as pip wise or money wise, so I'm not really affected by it. And I hope that people actually use proper risk management when trading. And a 17 pip loss, it wouldn't affected you either. So I think that's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.